Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today we start with the next set of 20 words and our focus will be on every, end, even, earth. So let's start with the first word every. Every day, every time, everything, everyone. There are supermarkets everywhere. But I like to come to this one. Everything in this store is fresh. Also, this store shows respect to each and every one of its customers. Every time I come, I see smiling faces. There are supermarkets everywhere, but I like to come to this one. Everything in this store is fresh. Also, this store shows respect to each and every one of its customers. Every time I come, I see smiling faces. I get up at 6 every morning. I walk every day. I cook every day. I read every night. I exercise every day. I entered the bus, but I found every seat was full. Parrots can talk, but not every bird can talk. The next word is end, E-N-D, end. Till the end, at the end of the day, dead end. End your day with a good thought. That means when you go to sleep, have good thoughts and go to sleep. End your day with a good thought. We watched the hockey match all the way to the end. At the end of the lesson, Tim learned a lot of new words. When will the meeting end? The meeting will end at 5 p.m. What time does your class end? My class ends at 1 p.m. It rained for several days at end. Shruti went to Paris at the end of December. Raj came to the dead end of the road and had to turn his car around. The next word is even. E-V-E-N, even. Even if, even now, even after, even or odd. Is 22 an even number or an odd number? 22. It's an even number. Tom never laughs, but I even made Tom laugh with my jokes. Even a child can do what you did. The shelf does not look even. One looks a little bigger than the other. The two slices of pizza are even. That means they are equal. Did you complete your homework, Ria? Mama, she hasn't even started her homework. Even though I was late, my boss wasn't angry. The fourth word is earth, E-A-R-T-H, earth. Planet Earth, the earth, on earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. We have only one place to live, planet Earth. Earth is our world. The moon circles the earth. Earth's nearest neighbor is Venus. The earth is round. I am the happiest person on earth. I waited for you till midnight. Where on earth did you go last night? I waited for you till midnight. Where on earth did you go last night? Ram is very down to earth. Very down to earth means a very simple, decent, and good person. When is Earth Day celebrated? Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd. Save the earth, our only home. Save the earth, it's our only home. Before concluding, I'll only say this. Take small steps every day and you will get there one day. It relates very well to you learning English, learning spoken English. So I'll say, keep on practicing and listen to the exercises. Repeat the exercises with me. That's all for today. Meet you again. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.